Choppy, choppy, choppy. So let's just be patient. First 5 minute candles are open. Like 35s is pretty good target. Red line. 713 pivot, 702. So yeah, I don't know, we could look for a bear flag here. So far it's bearish, but not enough for me to just hop it in short. Dude, shorts do look good here. I don't want to enter them though. This isn't a good entry yet. Still choppy. We'll be on evals just for now. Yep, right back up. So they're also bouncing off yesterday's close. Ooh, let's do that. Let's mark out my... Wow. Wow, what the... All over the place. Look at that 1 minute candle. That's crazy. But yeah, we're gonna trade evals today unless something looks phenomenal. If we can get the evals started to the upside, then we can get the fundeds going a little bit later. Wow. Look at this chop, dude. I mean, that was 50 points. That's a 60-point candle right there. Up and down. 60, 70-point candle. Just plump, plump. Man. I'm just gonna wait for something to kind of set up here because it's just chopping in this range. I kind of want this 15-minute range to print here. Because right now this range plays, these stops are huge. I mean, like, say you get in right here at the 820s just long because, you know, little bull flag. You're up 20 points, but your stop's like 10, 20, 30, 40 points. Just what I was saying. Those stops are big, boys. If you want to enter those longs, those stops are big. Nice. I still think longs are kind of the move here. Okay, good push. Need this to be a strong closing push. Does look good. Now if we get a little bit of a consolidation area here. 15-minute opening range. God. 15-minute opening range, closing up in the next 20 seconds. So that's kind of what we're looking for. Holy reaction. All right, 15-minute opening range is in. Let's see if this is choppy day or if they're going to give us a flag up here. This is hard though, because they didn't really put in a move at the opening range. They just kind of chopped. Like, how big is this zone? Is it at least decent size? 115? I mean, it's not bad. Man, this might just try and go right here. I didn't really like that push the last couple minutes there. It wasn't supposed to take that high. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but like that wasn't really supposed to take that high out yet. It's starting to look a little choppy up here. Right back into that same. I need him to just sit sideways for a little bit. Just for like 5 minutes. Just sit sideways here. Holy crap. Holy crap. So I was saying you gotta be a little patient up there. Yeah, because that 15-minute candle after the opening range, because that popped up on those highs, it made it look real scary. They popped those highs, put in new highs, and then rejected immediately. So they gave that 15-minute a top wick and then went and dropped it all the way back down. I mean, we're only 5 minutes into it, so we still got some time, but it's what I was saying. Once they popped those highs, it's like, man, I don't like this a whole lot anymore. Then it just rips it back in the zone. So I don't know if we're gonna get a pop here. This is gonna. We kind of just have to wait for this opening range to break and give us something. Like either way, if they go up to the top of the range and put in a little flag, try and go for the breakout. If they go to the bottom, put in a little flag, go for the breakout. Like, I don't know which way they want on today. This could go either way. This could be a bouncing day where this hourly turns around here. We got 9 minutes on it. Let's see where they close. Because if it closes very bearish, we're probably going to break this to the downside. If it closes bullish, we're probably going to bounce here. Because they bounced off yesterday's close. Yesterday's highs and not, well, yet, whatever. Yesterday they broke the bottom of the candle from the day before, but then went right back in it went up to the top, didn't quite break the top. So we're still back in the inside of whatever Friday's candle. We poked out of it for an hour yesterday. So we're kind of waiting to see which way they break that too. Let's see if we break the upside here. If they go back up there and put a flag in by the top, I'll totally enter this. The 80s. This is looking good. That's nice and strong. I need you to put in a little bit of a flag up here though, not just go. That's a good closure for a flag. Now drop it to the 30s at the max. Bounce it to the 50s, drop it to the 25s, bounce it to the 50s, drop it to the 30s, and then go. But this is starting to look good here. This is starting to look good. Come on, we need another little pullback here. Another little pullback. I don't want to enter this yet. Shit. One candle, bro? Are you serious? One candle? Are you serious? One candle, bro. They did this yesterday, too. We'd be up 35 points right there. Wow. Wow. That was... Wow. I really wanted one more candle. At least. Oh, that's so unfortunate. They did this yesterday, too. Just one candle, little flag, and then gone. So scuffed. Alright, can you flag here and go retest the 800s and let me in? Alright, this is still fine. Under the 920s, if we flag, we're still looking really good. But man, that's what I wanted. Man, a one candle flag? Are you for real, boys? That's so hard. That hourly, holy. Closing up bullish, I see. 3 more minutes. Damn, bro, that was a 70-point push. 60-point push. Oh my. 80. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's a 100-point push right there. If I. Oh my god, one candle entry, dude. That's so. How do you enter a one candle little flag? How? How? That's so perfect, though. It literally was a 5-minute push for 100 points. Wow. Wow, I should have just clicked the button. I was really close to. Just wanted one more candle down there. That VWAP. Yeah, 995 is the previous day's high, or not previous days, we're already through that, but Friday's high. Wow. Wow, what a move. That was actually kind of crazy. Okay, I mean, we could go for another little flag here. But this, once again, a 1 minute flag, or is this one actually going to give me more? Bro, is this going to go again off a 1 minute flag? Are you serious? Bro, is this just the top or something right now? Like, they ain't giving me shit. This is crazy. They're not gonna give me shit. Up at the pivot? Oh my god. They're still just going. They're up at the pivot. Wow. I mean, I knew they were going up. I just didn't think they were going straight up. Bro. Jesus. Bro, they're just still going. Come on, I literally was almost clicked the buy button right in here. But I wanted another, I wanted one or two more candles. Oh. Bro, it's still just going. Wow. Alright, through the previous days. Hi. Wow, back in the zone we go. I mean, we can still have plenty of upside on the day here, but man, I was really hoping they would have given me an opening range breakout trade. I guess they did. They gave me a halfway zone retest on the 3 minute, which was that. And then they went, but I should have just popped in, bro. I should have just popped in. Like whatever, bro. You add another 10 points to your stop. But damn, they're just going. Bro, it's still just we moved up to a 20-point tick. Oh my god. 20-point tick. Oh my god. Wow, they're moving. Wow. Wow, wow. They're still just going. Ah, this is insane. I don't even know if I'd want to enter a flag all the way up here. That's crazy. Oh, I should have just YOLO'd in this morning. I was on eval. Yeah, I should have. Would have printed. Wow, wow, wow. So they're just gone. There's no levels to look back on. That the 15 newest level is 25,060. Maybe we'll enter a flag up here. This is just for a quick 20-point scalp or something. Because, man, I don't want to try for much of a move all the way up here. It all depends on how this sets up here. Finally, the first 3-minute red candle after we broke the 15-minute opening range. Holy. That's becoming a decently big pullback here. But I think if they go through the 30s, I'm going to hop in this long for the 50s to 60s. Just be patient, but this looks really good for an entry here. If this starts breaking back up right now, dang. That's unfortunate timing. I feel like I gotta be careful here because they might just. We gotta watch if this starts like dropping out the sky here, though. Back through the 25s again, I'll add to this. And then hard stops going at the lows here, but we gotta watch this. If this starts trying to drop again, we gotta get out. It's scary. Because that's that previous Yeah, so we really just got to see a break of the 27s here. But if we break the 27s, I'll add in again. I don't even want to limit there because they're just going to go straight through it. '60s is a big level, so let's just put one in there. What else do we have after that? The 85s up to the 150s. 85s up to the 150s. See if we can get one more little push through the highs here. See what they do through these highs. We need a little squeezy squeeze through these highs here. Are you gonna give me a little squeeze action here? Give me a little bit of a squeeze action here. Come on, a little squeeze, little squeeze, little squeeze. Little squeeze. You gotta close up above this though. Oh no. This gotta like go, go, go. Oh no, you gotta go, go, go. Squeezy McSqueezer said, let's go. Let's go. We're going here at least. Let's go. What's next? What's next? What's next? We got a ways, bro. Realistically, next is 140. Next is 140. Top of my screen. Oh man, that's a push. Can we come on. If we can get up to like the 90s. Let's go right before the 80s if they want to go. Just to lock in some more here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This needs to close, like, green. Which it very well could, but starting to look a little bit scary. Okay. Okay. Give me a push. Give me a push. Give me a push. That's the wrong way. Give me a push. Give me a push. Hmm. You were supposed to give me a push. Hmm. Hmm. Man, you're supposed to give me a little more of a push here. Man. For real? 75, is that what I said? No, I said 60. 85. Man. Alright, they're gonna take me out. Wow. $400 a drawdown while I'm up for. Oh my god. Oh, fuck you. Yeah, that's classic. We're gonna go for a tight little scalp here. I think they go through the highs again. But this needs to go, go, go. Alright, a little bit of a squeeze through the highs here. Ooh, that's not good denial. I still think we get it up to the 80s. I don't like this denial. Hmm. Man. My mental stop is at the 35s. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill that. That looks like it's about to go down. Hmm. Interesting. I guess that, I mean, it makes sense, but it's all because I'm on tilt from that damn morning, this move this morning. Man, is this really about to go? I think this goes, man. Oh man, it's getting real volatile and wiki here all of a sudden. That's not good. Come on, I just want this to pop real quick. I don't want to hang around this area anymore. Come on. Come on, I'm not looking for much here. Oh my. Oh my, come on. You don't want to just give me a little bit? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. That's not what I wanted to see. Come on, give me a squeeze real quick and hard here. I don't like this closure. Man. I mean, this is the eval, but damn, you really ain't gonna give it to me? Do I just let this run a little bit? Go sweep those lows and then go? Like, how is that down? How is that down? The drawdown so high? I still think this goes sweep these lows and right back up. I think they're going to right back up. Hmm. I think through the 60s again, and they are going to go up. Because realistically, your stops are kind of here now, unfortunately. 50,000 or yeah, 25,000 tens. This is really supposed to start bouncing right here, though. I don't, yeah, I should think I should just close this. Alright, we're going really heavy on this one, but it's an eval, so it is what it's alright. But this looks good to go, go, go. I think this goes, and I think we basically passed the eval because of it. But this is dangerous. We're heavy. Just kind of got to start going, though. It's the thing. We're supposed to see some momentum here. Couple candles. Hmm. There we go. This is what we're supposed to be seeing here. This needs to go through my entry. Why is it acting as resistance? Hmm. It's supposed to start breaking up now. There we go. See a little strength in here now. The 5 minute looks really good. 5 minute looks really good. All right, let's go. Let's just run this a little bit here. Come on, you got to get a little more than that in there. Come on. No, I should have left it. No, I thought they were gonna go. No, no, this should have gone. This still looks good if we can get a little flag breakage here. No. Come on, buy that back. No, it closed. No. No way they didn't want it. Are you serious? I mean, the 40's got to hold. If anything, the 50's got to hold, but come on. No, rip it up out of here. No. No, rip it. Come on, bounce this one and we're actually looking good. If this low holds, we're looking good. No, come on. We gotta kind of. This looks so good, but it just needs to go. Get back. Yeah, if you close this green. Yeah, close it back green. Close it back green. And go, right? This candle? Come on. This candle's supposed to. Yeah, go. This one's supposed to go. Go, 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 go. To go, 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 go. So yeah, stops are basically just below break even. We need this to run, 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 run. All right, we got our wick to the downside now, so can we go, go, go? Looks like it. All right, there we go. Good closure. And go. And go. And go. Bang, there we go. We're gonna pull that up into profit. We should really pull this up even higher than that, but I don't know where to put that stop out at. I don't want to run this drawdown back too much. So we'll lose like $200 a drawdown right where we're at. It's not terrible. Versus if they go, yeah, we're really not looking for much more here. Ooh, yeah, that is, ooh, that's scary. That's all right. We'll take that. We'll take that. $1,000 on the day. $1,000 on the day. $1,000 on the eval. But yeah, there's not a whole lot going on. So I don't know. I'm kind of just hanging out, waiting for something else to maybe set up. That chart looks terrible with those trades in there, but we had the right idea, took profit, stopped out, of course, bottom tick. Because of that, got back in, was trailing the stops too tight. Shouldn't have been stopped out. Was same thing because of that bullshit. I entered again, but then this one went down. I was like, ooh, I'm not gonna get stopped out this time. And averaged in. Got stopped out. And now it's gonna rip the highs again. Oh, that's fucking wild. That's fucking wild. Alright, well, I'm done for the day. Up a grand. We're gonna call that. Call it good. That was almost a rough day. And we brought it back. Maybe we'll be back and trade the fundeds. I don't know. Because I really. They're scary. They're scary. Bro, I still can't believe that one candle flag, bro. I wanted to enter so bad, but they just went and I should have, and then, oh. And then they just straight up move like crazy. That's insane. Alright. Well, yep. I'm out of here. Here they go through the highs again. Nice. But yeah, peace to the Middle East.